Have you ever wondered what pad you should be using to polish out your car? Today I'm going to simplify it to 3 different pads to polish and wax your car. Today I have this Honda HR-V behind me, and this HR-V is severely scratched up on the hood, but with a couple products and a couple pads, I'll be transforming the shine. Today, the choice of polisher will be my TORQ X. The TORQ X is a weekend warrior and a professional enthusiast polisher. It's a dual action polisher, and we're gonna start off with the very first pad, which is the orange cutting pad. The orange cutting pad has a lot more density to it. It's a lot more stiff compared to like the white one and the black one, which is a waxing pad. So this one's always intended to be used with either a polish or a very heavy compound to remove the deeper scratches, and after that we'll refine the finish. But before we get into the polishing, I do want to talk about the types of products I'll be using today. So I have the InSynchro line, the compound and polish, and I also have our butter wet wax, because I'll be showing you guys how fast and simple it is to wax your car within minutes. And we can't forget this guy. This guy is our pad conditioner. The pad conditioner is going to moisten the pad while we polish out the car. So to start off with product number 1, we're gonna grab our InSynchro Precision Cut compound. This compound is going to remove the deeper scratches. First things first, I'm gonna shake up the bottle. I'm gonna apply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dime taps drops onto my polishing pad. I'm gonna grab my polishing pad conditioner and spray 1, 2, 3. 3 sprays onto the polishing pad. This is just going to moisten the pad and reduce friction whenever I start polishing. Now, let's walk over to the hood. All right, so now we're coming over to the hood. I already moved my compound over here as well as my polisher. I have it hooked up to an extension cord. Now we'll start off with our InSynchro Cut compound, and I'm gonna start by blotching it out onto the surface. Now, whenever you are polishing out any type of car whatsoever, always be sure to work in small portions. In this occasion, the HR-V doesn't have a big hood, so I'm actually just going to split it in half. Do that side after, do this side first. But you guys can already see I'm spreading out the product. This is just so I won't have any splatter on my black shirt, and you also look more professional. So on speed setting 1, we're gonna turn on the machine and just spread out the product. After we spread out the product, what we're gonna do, we're gonna grab our polisher, bump it up to speed setting 6. We're gonna start working in the product until it turns clear or translucent. We're gonna go linear pattern, overlap our previous pass to get the perfect cut. But keep this in mind, we're starting off with the orange pad because the orange pad is going to be more dense, which is going to cause a deeper cut on the surface of the paint. So let's go. So I just finished working in the product onto that side. Now I'm gonna do the same exact things and proper steps on this side where I have compound spread out. So keep going with the polishing. Now that I finished polishing out this surface of this hood, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move my compound off to the side, get a clean soft microfiber towel, and just buff off the residue. Now, if you guys actually come close, you guys can see that there's a big before and after just by looking at the surface of this hood. There's clarity, there's no more scratches, there's no more swirls. It's back to shiny, Nonetheless, the paint is super smooth. Now, everything that's left for us to do with this polishing pad is going to be repeating the same exact steps on that side to get a perfect finish. And obviously everything's going to be well blended. And then after that, we're going to be moving on to our next polishing pad, which is going to be the white one, just to refine the finish and bring back more shine. So let's do the same exact steps on that side. Okay, so I just finished buffing off the surface of this hood, and as you guys can see, the scratch and swirls are fully gone. But I want to refine the finish, so this is what I'm actually gonna do. I'm actually going to go ahead, put this towel back over here, leave it off to the side because this one actually has compound on here, and then I'm actually going to remove my polishing pad, the orange one, put it off to the side, and then get my white polishing pad. Now this white polishing pad is a must-have in your chemical guys arsenal because this one's going to refine the finish. Now the next product I'll be using is going to be the InSynchro polish. So the InSynchro polish is going to refine the finish, bring back more shine, more reflection, and I'm gonna be doing the same exact thing. 5 diamond types drops onto the polishing pad, spray some pad conditioner onto it, and then come with me. And we're gonna be doing the same exact steps once again back onto this hood of this HRV. We're gonna start off by spreading it out, but I just noticed the pad is not centered. If the pad is not centered, make sure to recenter it so that this, your bagging plate does not have the possibility of hitting your paint when you're polishing. Now, what the white polishing pad is going to do is going to refine the finish like I mentioned. So whenever you do a 2-step polish, a 3-step polish, even a 4-step polish, I always encourage you guys to have the white polishing pad, and these 3 pads are just the most basic pads you should be having in your chemical guys arsenal if you want to polish out any color car. So let's start off doing the same exact thing. Speed setting 1 to spread out the product. Once the product has been spread out, we're gonna put the machine back onto the surface of the vehicle, bump it up to speed setting 6, and re-polish the car just to get the perfect finish we want on the car. Come on, let's go. Okay, so we just finished up with that side of the hood, and you guys can see the shine, the reflection is there. I'm loving the results I'm getting, especially because InSynchro line does not produce tons of dust everywhere, so I'm keeping the car clean. But now we're just gonna be repeating the same exact steps on this side, so we can have a uniform finish around the surface of the car, and like this, we don't have any high spots. Okay, so we just finished removing the polish away from the surface of the vehicle. Now, here's a hack for you guys. Whenever you're short on time and you still want to wax your car, remove the white pad and then go to the softest pad that we offer, or the red pad, which is going to be the black finishing pad. The black finishing pad is going to allow you to wax your car in less than like 2 minutes. So this hood could be waxed in less than 2 minutes. All you do is attach the black finishing pad, grab your desired wax. Instead of applying 5 drops, 3 drops is more than enough because we're gonna spread it out only on speed setting 1. Come on. Okay, so now that we're by the car, we're gonna bump it down to speed setting 1, blotch out the product. After we blotch it out, we're just gonna turn on the machine and just spread it out throughout the whole entire hood. Look at Dewey. He dipped. And when you're done spreading it out, just let it sit from anywhere from like a minute or two so it can bond properly to the paint. But fun fact, the cool thing about butter wet wax, it instantly cures on the surface of the car. So I'm just getting a clean, soft microfiber towel, coming back and buffing off the residue. And you guys can see with no elbow grease needed, butter wet wax comes right off. Your paint is back to shiny, it's back to glistening. There's no more scratches and swirls on the surface of the car. If water was to land on the surface of the car, it's just simply going to glide right off the surface of the car. And like this, by doing this step, not only are you protecting your car, but you're also protecting your investment. So like this, if you're trying to resell your car or you're trying to make money, you can simply offer this as a detailing service. But just like that, we went ahead and restored the hood on this HRV. As always, guys, if you guys would like to pick up any of the products I use in today's video, you can find it at chemicalguys.com or drive down to your local detail garage. I have the rest of this HRV to do, and we'll see you guys next time.